Ready to ditch the subway and cruise the Empire State behind the wheel. This video is your express lane to getting your New York driver's license, covering everything from the permit test to acing that final road exam. First, head to the New York DMV website. You'll need to download and complete the MV-44 form, the application for a learner permit. Fill it out completely and accurately. Next, gather your required documents. This includes proof of identity, like a birth certificate or passport, proof of your social security number. And to documents proving New York State residency, check the DMV website for a complete list of acceptable documents. Time to conquer the written test. You'll need to pass a vision test and a written knowledge test on traffic laws and safe driving practices. Study the NYS driver's manual thoroughly. You can find it on the DMV website. Now comes the practice. New York requires at least 50 hours of supervised driving practice, including 15 hours at night. A parent, guardian, or driving instructor must certify these hours. Consider professional driving lessons. A certified instructor can provide valuable guidance and help you master essential driving skills, increasing your chances of passing the road test. Before the road test, practice, practice, practice. Focus on smooth starts and stops, proper lane changes, turning techniques, and hazard awareness. Pay close attention to speed limits and traffic signs. On road test day, arrive early and bring all required documents, including your permit, glasses, or contacts if needed, and a properly insured and registered vehicle. Stay calm, focus on the road, and demonstrate safe driving habits. Congratulations! Once you pass the road test, you'll receive your shiny new New York State driver's license. Now you're ready to hit the road and explore the Empire State. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful driving tips and tutorials.